Ladies and gentlemen, today I have a unique opportunity to share with you a fantastic way to earn passive income, and it's as sweet as honey. Imagine making money effortlessly while you go about your daily life. Yes, it's possible, and it's all thanks to Honeygain. Honeygain is more than just an app. It's a gateway to financial freedom. In just a few minutes a day, you can start building a passive income stream that can help you achieve your financial goals and dreams. So let me take you on a journey to discover how you can make money with Honeygain. And by the end of this, you'll be ready to take that first step towards a more prosperous future. First, let's talk about what Honeygain is. It's a smart app that lets you turn your unused internet bandwidth into cash. You simply download the app, install it on your devices, and let it run in the background. It's that simple. Honeygain securely uses your spare bandwidth to connect to the internet, and businesses are willing to pay for it. Now here's the exciting part. The more you share, the more you earn. Honeygain rewards you based on the amount of data you share. So it's a win-win situation. You get paid, and Honeygain helps businesses with their data needs. But how much can you really make? Well, that depends on a few factors, such as your internet speed and the number of devices you use. Some users have reported earning a significant passive income that covers bills, treats, or even a little extra for savings. I make $40 to $80 on Honeygain, and I have nothing to do. Now, you might be wondering about privacy and security. Rest assured, Honeygain has robust security measures in place, ensuring your data and personal information remain safe. Your privacy is a top priority. The best part is that you don't need any special skills or investments to get started. Just a reliable internet connection and the willingness to let Honeygain do its thing. Now, if you're ready to embark on this journey to financial freedom, I encourage you to click on the link in the description below. Make sure you click the link and sign in with that code, and you will get $5 bonus. Join the Honeygain community and start earning your passive income today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to make money while you sleep, work, or play. In conclusion, Honeygain is a simple, secure, and profitable way to make passive income. Join us and unlock the potential to improve your financial future.